you're thinking about switching to solar power or you're just tired of unreliable grid power, you're in the right place. In today's video, we are diving into the top 7 solar inverter brands in Nigeria that are making waves for their quality, performance, and value for money. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First up, we have Felicity Solar, a well-known brand from China that has been dominating the Nigerian market for years. Felicity offers a wide range of inverters designed for both budget-conscious buyers and those looking for high-end performance. Felicity's range covers everything from affordable models for small homes and larger systems. Next, we have iPower, a brand that has become synonymous with reliability and user satisfaction in Nigeria. iPower offers a range of hybrid inverters that are both affordable and efficient, with great reviews backing their performance. A few top picks from iPower include iPower Premium, iPower Infinity, and iPower Plus. iPower offers great value, especially with models like the iPower X featuring built-in Wi-Fi for remote monitoring, which adds extra convenience. Moving on to Growatt, a brand known for its top-notch solar products. Based in Shenzhen, China, Growatt offers high-quality hybrid and pure sine wave inverters, making them a favorite in Nigeria's solar market. Here are a couple of their standard products. Growatt 3kVA/48V with MPPT. This hybrid inverter is a solid choice for homes that need reliable power on a budget. You can also check out the Growatt 5kVA 48V with MPPT, priced at 749,000. It's a higher-end option that delivers consistent performance for larger setups. For those looking for powerful high-efficiency inverters, Growatt ES5000 and SPF 6000 models are great choices. Now let's talk about Lumios, a brand with a strong reputation in the global solar market. Owned by Schneider Electric, their inverters are known for their durability and affordability, making them a popular choice for Nigerian homes and businesses. Some top models include EcoVolt Neo, Lumios Optimus, and iCruise. The options mentioned comprise of fantastic budget-friendly options for smaller homes with a solid mix of performance and value. iCruise is a higher-end option that is perfect for larger homes or businesses with high power demands. Lumios offers reliable and affordable options for any budget, making them one of the best choices for Nigerians looking for an efficient solar power system. Next, we have Socam or Sucam, a premium inverter brand that combines affordability with high-end performance. Sucam's inverters are perfect for those who want both value and quality. Here are some of their top models: Sucam Falcon, Sucam 2.5 kVA 24V inverter, or Sucam 7.5 kVA inverter, the latter being for bigger setups and the former being solid choice for larger homes or for backup power system. Sucam's reputation for reliability and performance makes them a great option for anyone who needs a durable solar inverter. Bragg is another great brand in Nigeria, offering high-quality inverter with hybrid and pure sine option. Known for their durability and robust performance, Bragg inverters are a top choice for many. A few great models include the Bragg 3kW 24V, the Bragg 5kW 48V, and the Bragg 10kVA heavy-duty inverter. Bragg offers excellent versatility and performance, making them a solid contender in the Nigerian solar market. Finally, let's talk about Mercury, a trusted brand in Nigeria for inverters and solar solutions. Known for their affordable pricing and solid performance, Mercury offers both pure sine wave and modified sine wave inverters. Some top picks from Mercury include the Mercury 1kVA 12V inverter, the Mercury 3.5 kVA M3500, and the Mercury 10kVA online UPS inverter. Mercury's reliable and budget-friendly options make them a go-to brand for many solar enthusiasts in Nigeria. That's it, guys. Whether you are looking for something affordable or a high-performance model for larger setups, these brands have something for everyone. However, when choosing the right inverter, consider your power needs, your budget, and the type of inverter that suits your home or business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.